Today we are making midnight pasta. Do you know why it is called this way? Because usually Italian people hang around till late, and at midnight they get hungry again. So what do? They make the easiest recipe they could ever do, which is aglio olio peperoncino pasta. Oil, garlic and chili pepper pasta. It's a 10 minutes dish and it's creamy and delicious and you're gonna love it. And that's how we do it. Basically, you will need fresh garlic, extra virgin olive oil and chili pepper. We use 3 different chilies: super hot fresh chili pepper, crushed red pepper flakes, and smoked habanero powder. Eventually, you will need some fresh and fragrant parsley. Let's start by peeling and removing the sprouts inside the garlic cloves. Many people say it makes the garlic undigestible. We use 6 cloves for 2 persons. To make the garlic even less aggressive, boil some water in a little pot and blanch the garlic for 1 minute. Drain it and bring new water to a boil. Repeat this process for 3 times. Usually pasta aglio olio peperoncino is made by cooking garlic and chili peppers in some good olive oil. But let's be honest, garlic isn't exactly digestible, so this way the taste of the garlic is a little bit less aggressive. And you're gonna love it, so try this at home. At the end of this process, the garlic should look like this. Now it's time to emulsify the garlic with some extra virgin olive oil, water, the habanero chili powder, and some parsley too. Blend it very well until you achieve this beautiful texture. Grab your good Italian pasta, salt the water like the sea or like Salt Bay, and add your favorite spaghetti when the water boils. Heat up the garlic cream in a large pan, and when the pasta is al dente, drain it directly into it. Let's make it hot. Add the chili flakes, Parmigiano to taste, give it a nice stir, then add some fresh ground pepper, a few leaves of finely chopped parsley, and eventually the fresh chili pepper. And your aglio olio is ready! Let's have a vampire-free night!
So let me have a taste. This pasta is really stupid good. It's like the perfect midnight treat, and I cannot believe it's made in 10 minutes only. And if you're looking for other pasta recipes, don't forget to check out our 2 ways tomato sauce.